He that getteth a wife beginneth a possession.
Beginneth a possession. Just like anything that you buy, that you possess, that is yours. You buy a house, you buy a car, you buy a pet, anything. Guess what? It's a possession. You have to maintain it. It's the job of a husband to make sure he's maintaining his wife. Not just have a place for her to live, or clothes on her back, or money in the bank account, or food in her belly. But guess what? You have to maintain her attitude. You have to maintain her behavior. You have to maintain that wicked spirit of Eve that's in all the sisters that's trying to get out. That wicked spirit of these women that's trying to be in front, that's trying to be in charge, that's trying to rule over their husbands, that's trying to cause division and confusion. It's your job to do what? To get out in front of that and rebuke that evil, negative spirit. That's your job. You can't just sit back and be given a house and never do anything with the house. Guess what? It's going to fall apart. It's going to fall just like we read earlier where there's no counsel. When you don't teach your wife, when you're not in front of your wife to make sure you know what she got going on, guess what's going to happen? She's going to fall. You're setting her up for failure.